An 80-year-old woman was found stabbed to death at her home in Top Kendall on over Saturday night. Observers online understand that the woman, a returning resident, was found with several stab wounds by relatives. The deceased has been identified as Patsy Allen, a retired nurse. Information reaching our newsroom is that relatives discovered the body of the now deceased lying in a passage in her house with what appeared to be stab wounds. The police were summoned and Allen was taken to hospital where she was confirmed dead. The body was later removed to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. No suspect has been identified in connection with the killing, neither has a motive been established. A businesswoman was shot dead while her husband and son narrowly escaped death when they were attacked by gunmen at Cooleytown District in Paradise, Westmoreland on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as 27-year-old Chantal Codner Whitnam, otherwise called Pookie, from Burton District, Little London in the parish. It was reported that around 3:30 p.m., Codner Whitnam, her husband and her son had driven into the community and park when they were approached by 4 men armed with guns. Police said the men opened gunfire at all 3 occupants of the vehicle. The husband and wife went in different directions and the gunmen chased and fired shots at them and then left the area on foot. Codner Whitnam was found suffering from gunshot wounds to her head. The other occupants escaped hurt. She was transported to hospital where she was pronounced dead on arrival. A 59-year-old woman was reportedly stabbed to death by her brother in Tickets District in Discovery Bay, St. Anne on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as Lynette Brady of Tickets District, Discovery Bay in the parish. According to the lawmen, around 5:30 p.m., Brady was attacked by her brother who allegedly stabbed her several times. Police sources told the Observer Online that when residents learned of the incident, the brother was set upon by an angry mob which inflicted several wounds to his body. The police were called to the scene and the brother was rescued from the mob and Brady taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. The brother remains at hospital under police guard. A motive for the killing has not yet been ascertained.